I'm going to demonstrate real quickly how here to get to show how to get loads and constraints to apply to your results. So you can see right now there's nothing here. There should be a pressure load there and our constraints there at the center. If we go back to the FEM model, we can see that here, or the sim model, force down there, pressure or a load, and my constraint. So it's a little awkward. There doesn't seem to be a direct tool in here to turn that on, which is weird. So if we go over here, turn on the crosshair so you can follow my mouse. If we go over here and we go over to Format, Layer Visibility in View, and we go OK, or we could have clicked OK, click all. I don't know what layer this is in, but so far if you just click everything right here, go visible, go OK, that'll show the original model with the loads on it and the constraint. Unfortunately, the loads are never going to match the deformed model. So if you want to have the loads visible with the constraints, you're going to have to turn off deformation here. And as you can see that, we can still see our results even though the model was shown originally there. So the results will take priority over the model results there. But now we can see our loads. We can see the constraints, even though the constraints are just this little glyph there. Sorry, scrolling the wrong way. Scrolling like crazy here. The way to change this, to reverse that, is you go back in again, Format, Visible Layers. You can either double click on that and go OK. And again, you can select all here and do invisible, or like I did before. I manually select all this, but you could have gone all invisible. And then click OK. Oh, wait, sorry, I turned it all visible. I was going to show you how to turn it off. That was my intent. So now it's all off. But you can see there's a slight effect in the color gradient there. So we'll see if we can figure out which layer loads might be. All right, so I found where the layer is, or what layer specifically controls what we wanted to see, the forces. So we go back in here, menu, Format, Layer Visibility, click OK. It is just layer 1. Click Visible, click Apply, and you'll see it. Unfortunately, it is everything here. There's no difference. It's not going to just be like the load or the constraint. Testing the other layers, they showed absolutely nothing that I can tell in the model by turning them on. So yeah, whether you turn them all on or off, it doesn't really matter. As long as you turn on layer 1, that will get you your loads and your constraints applied to your model. And again, you come in the same way. You can just invisible, apply, and it's off. Visible, apply, and again, if we turn off deformation, we can see it. Go all, invisible, apply, loads are gone. And here. So yeah, seems to be the only layer needed. And as far as I can tell, the only way to turn this on, there is nothing available in here, and there's nothing documented in the Simcenter 3D guide. So thank you. P.S. I did just discover how to get back to the vibrant results that you saw before turning on that layer, before turning on layer 1. Now we can see, as we scroll through here, we can see some issues with the color contour because now we have the original geometry underneath it. But so if you're in the results here, all you have to do is go back to the simulation navigator here over on the left hand side column. So if you follow the mouse over here, click on that, and all you do, usually this is probably collapsed right here. You don't need to expand or collapse that at all. Just click on this right here, and that will hide the geometry from your simulation there. And you'll see now we've got more vibrant colors, and you'll see we don't have an issue along here anymore and in other places. So yeah, PS, thank you.